going to be trying these new high shoes.
I'm going from most basic flavors to, like, you know what I mean. First mango. Okay.
Mango's like a 5 out of 10.
Next, pineapple.
Pineapple is 10 out of 10.
It tastes like real pineapple. Now, kiwi. Kiwi has chia seeds in it.
It tastes like watermelon. I hate watermelon.
Like 4 out of 10. Now to try the one I've been most excited for, dragon fruit.
I'm gonna put it on really fast. It was good, but it just tastes like road burn.
Mom doesn't approve.